All right, we're rolling into our first anchorage in St. Kitts. It's a cute little spot. Apparently it's the only real protected anchorage in this area, so rolling in just before sunset. So we got the sun going down. What? Yeah, K-Dog. Cameron's putting up our St. Kitts flag. So it's our courtesy flag. You gotta fly those each country you go into. So you put a yellow one up until you're checked in. So we just took it down. And then we just put up the country's flag or the courtesy, which is actually a requirement. But so there's the St. Kitts behind us, the main town back over there. So anyways, but yeah, so we're excited. You excited, Cam?
I don't know what's here.
He woke up in a tent, camped on the beach in St. Bart's this morning, and now just checked into St. Kitts.
Yeah.
So he's excited. Big things happening for 13. That's a big deal. So anyways, we're gonna go drop anchor at this place, find a nice calm spot.
Probably 7.
Yeah, steady. Let him go.
I made a mine cart thing, and then I
Make a French toast
across the water.
We arrived in St. Kitts with just enough time to clean the boat, do a little schoolwork, and throw Easton overboard for being inappropriate.
Chicken, what did you swim 2 laps for? Being inappropriate.
We headed into town to go through customs. The process was easy yet confusing, if that makes any sense.
All right, we just checked in. St. Kitts and Nevis, kind of both, 2 countries in one, united under one flag. Anyways, here we are. It's the big mountain. And, this is like the cruise spot where the cruise ships come in, so that's where they have customs and immigration. So, oh, and we're heading to the chocolate factory, but they're closed. Oh, shit, we just missed us. Tomorrow.
They knew you had to stop at the
What's that? All right, perfect. Thank you. Carver wanted to go to the chocolate factory, but he took too long at customs immigration, so he doesn't get to go now.
Good news, there's ice cream there. I saw it on my map.
So I guess back to the boat. Check out this big boat marina. He said it's off. Chester, the dock master, I just talked to him. He said it's off season, so nobody's here. But this thing is built to have some big boats, and although not completely finished to a level that big boat people would want, it has the makings. So anyway, we're gonna go check it out.
We took the dinghy to the deserted marina and looked around for a little bit. We then rented a car, something we love to do as a family, to go tour the entire island. We had heard that St. Kitts has monkeys on their island, so that was our main goal for the day, was to go and find those monkeys. The weather hadn't been the greatest, so here we are at the top of the hill, checking out our boat to make sure it's still floating, it's still anchored, and everything is good to go.
I think we stumbled into a super cool spot. It's kind of a bummer nobody's here, actually. It's so quiet. Beautiful. And it's tucked like way up in the mountain. Carver, please don't run around. But look at the design of this place. Anyways, super cool, checking it out. I feel like I'm not supposed to be because I'm the only one. But, and there's the view into the kitchen. How cool is that? Oh. Carver, don't run in there. Stay out of there. Please.
Look at this.
Yeah, but it's not for you to run into, silly. Really cool, huh? What do you think, Carver? No. Oh, there we are. There they are. There's the family. Those are like the owners / managers sitting at the bar. Little sailboat out there. Alright. Lunchtime. Found this cool little resort. What's the name of this place? What did we say? Belmont Farm at the Kittatan Hill in St. Kitts. And it's with all the main ones here, except for that girl. It's just the pool to the left.
Where we really connect as a family is through mealtime. We always have the best conversations. Here I decided to secretly film one of them. The conversation is great, and Carver's answers are the best.
The best thing you can do is figure out what you love to do, what you enjoy, what's going to make you happy, and then do a job that's in the space of something that you love and enjoy. Or the other option is if you make good money doing it, that thing, then you use that money and invest it wisely. You guys know the difference between spending and investing?
Yes.
Mom, this is our privacy. We're eating here.
There's nothing private about what's going on in your face right there. It looks like there's been a party on your face.
Rich daddy, poor
Something
daddy.
Something that makes you money.
That's it. What's a car?
Car is not
What's a car?
an asset.
Unless you are
Rich.
renting it out.
Oh yeah, like
Rich or fat? What the heck, Carver?
working wasn't a thing. I don't want to spend my life working.
Alright, St. Eustacia and Saba. Look at this little gem of a place we stumbled into. Pretty much a private resort that we have here. It's not at the top of the mountain, but at the top of the mountain right there. But look at this place.
Dad's stating me out.
And just us. So, it's a good time. It's officially my first time ever filming walking into a men's bathroom. I mean, it's pretty cool. Look at this place, Carver. Look at the view. Oh. Who knew this whole time we should have had the tank 8 feet up on the wall? Gravity flush. That's the. Maybe it just doesn't get clogged that way. What do you think? Good idea?
No.
I think it's a good idea. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that at home.
Showers too.
Oh yeah, they have showers too. All right, so we're checking out one of the villas. These are the villas. Outside grill, pool. Look at that view. St. Eustacia.
Stop. Actually,
No, boys, please don't.
Stop.
Wow, look at that view. It's a beautiful pool. Woo, just out into the jungle.
St. Kitts is about 18 miles long and shaped like a chicken bone. The main road goes all the way around the island. Our next stop was Romney Manor. It's a cool old house with tons of history. We also heard there were monkeys there.
I mean, this place is gorgeous.
Look at this tree.
That's a 400-year-old tree.
If I was a monkey, I'd be on this thing. Yeah.
Same.
What are they doing on those tiny branches things? I know.
Get on this. Yeah, that's beautiful. Wow.
That spider is
Unacceptable.
weird.
Ew. Oh, they're coming up here. Don't move. Don't move. They're coming up here. No, they're not. Okay, they're not. Let's go down and find them. Dude, he has something in his mouth. A banana? A banana?
He's ready. Mom.
Don't move, Carver.
Carver, stop.
There's two.
Carver, move.
They're all down there.
Carver.
It's okay. It's all right. He's coming up here.
Stop, Easton.
Carver, no, don't.
Easton, you're gonna scare
Dude, he
away.
jumped. Look at him go. Babe, look at the monkeys. They're playing with Easton. Oh, big yawn.
Watch, he's gonna send a big jumpy. Send a big jumpy.
Nope, get down, Carver.
He's just sitting there. Oh, dropped rock. I saw him, he was up there, and he just went.
Look at this desperate kid. Who knew he loved monkeys so much?
Chunky monkey.
Easton, what are you doing?
Now act like a monkey. Oh wow, there's going. Wait, I lost him.
Are you serious, Camden?
Stop him. Oh my gosh, he's going into.
Signaling the monkey.
Yeah,
Come on, monkey. Come on.
You don't. Hey, scoot over this way. Look how far. That is straight. That's deceiving because of all the plants. That's 50 feet straight to the ground. So don't stand up on that.
See that.
Yeah.
Monkeys eat bananas.
Lessons learned from the 400-year-old salmon tree. Stand tall and be proud. Go out on a limb. Remember your roots. Drink plenty of water. Be content with your natural beauty. And enjoy the view. Sammy the salmon tree.
I love it.
Yes. That is a massive tree.
He's going ham! He's going ham! Where'd he go?
Where is he?
Oh, he's over there. He just ran all the way across the tree. Oh, there's more over there.
Oh, yeah, they're not going to be scared at all from you screaming.
Oh my god!
Whoa, Malia, look at him go!
Look at all the leaves. Oh, I know, I've been standing here.
You have? I love how you're quiet and you don't tell your siblings.
Well, yeah, I don't want them to come
Yeah,
and
you
be
see
like,
what would happen?
in my.
Wait, how do they go?
In the big tree.
I just want them to.
Aww.
Get quiet.
Look at the avocados.
Who cares about this stupid avocado?
Look at them.
He's right there.
We are in the rainforest bar. Videoing each other videoing. And it's closed. It enabled the owners to keep an eye on the sugar workers. So that must have been the sugarcane fields there, obviously. 'Cause this was the lookout. Now you can just see the cell tower. Right up there. Gosh. Leah loves leaves this size.
Dude, they're cool.
Yeah. Where was it? Puerto Rico?
Dominican?
No, it was in Puerto Rico. We saw the big leaves.
No, I thought they were everywhere.
No, maybe. Okay. Thomas Jefferson's great granddad was the original owner of this place. All right, access to the bell tower is at your own risk because they have a sprinkler. So we really have to time it well if we're gonna do it. Whew. Here we go.
Oh gosh, it's gonna hit me. I got my feet.
Okay. Whew. That was risky. We almost got water on us.
I soaked my shoes.
All right, here we go. This is the bell tower. What makes it so risky besides the sprinkler? Bell tower.
We stopped videoing each other.
All right. Well, there's the bell tower. Go. I was just saying, Malia, I'm feeling snaky vibes.
I'm scared.
Don't be. Maybe it's these big roots coming out. Oh, wow. And then this thing. This is a strangler fig. This is native to the coastal South Florida area.
It was time to head back to the boat as we were leaving for Montserrat the following day. On the way home, we decided to stop off at a sugar mill factory.
All right, we're at the Wingfield Estate Sugar Factory, sugar mill, which is actually a pretty well preserved sugar mill. This one has everything still intact, so it's really cool. They've done a good job to restore it, so we could actually learn a thing or two here. But it's really pretty more than anything.
Stop moving.
What's actually cool about this is that that sign said home of the 17th century rum distillery archaeological dig, which means that they dug some of the stuff up that was covered, is what it sounds like. So that's kind of cool how they did that. Makes you wonder what happened that they have to dig it up. Oh, there you go. See if we can get, oh yeah, we can get in there. Firing tunnel. Oh, that's fun. Wow. Oh, spidery in here. Jeez. There it was. Come in here, stoke the fire, heat things up, start boiling down the cane. And the tunnel goes all the way through. Alright, so now we're up at the top. I might be the only person in my family that cares about this stuff, which is fine, but there it is. So we were just down below. See, check it out, yeah? So then they would, that's where they would cook everything right there. No, I'm saying in 1883.
Exactly. All that.
Didn't something special happen then?
What's so special? They made sugarcane?
No, that's when the Dutton family fled Texas and went to Montana. Everybody knows that. So I don't think those two things have anything to do with each other. But a private tour, just me and you together, this tour. All these losers just sitting in the car.
It must have been the off-season because there were no people around in sight at any of these places we visited or the beach bars. When we got back to the boat, Steve and I made a game plan on where we were going to sail for the next couple of months. I also tried to get a little more organized and failed.
Where we started versus where we are now. Just pure laziness. Not even ripping off labels. I think we're just done.
I actually did it.
I would not want to be in that.
Oh yeah, lobster. Look up the lobster. All right, we are leaving St. Kitts. It's a windy day, which is good for the sails unless the seas are mad. So spent a couple days in St. Kitts, had a good tour around town, rented a car, saw some cool stuff, had a good time. Got the whole crew here helping sail today. Saw monkeys. It was fun. But now we are off to Montserrat. Go check out volcanoes, or a volcano that is active. So things are gonna get sporty for a bit as we go through this little cut in between Nevis and St. Kitts. So we're gonna sign off and adjust some sails when things get sporty, and then hopefully in an hour or so it'll be cleared up and we'll be sails only on our 6-hour journey to Montserrat. All right, you guys excited? Yeah, that's what they said. They're excited. We're all excited. On to the next island.
big rollers today. Some big ones.
All right, we're halfway. We're actually a little bit over halfway. Still rolling strong, 5 up here at the helm station. 1 down there. We're making good time. What are we making? 8 knots. I am running engines just because I don't want to get there at night. But we're ripping along and we have a lot of water coming over the top, over the front. So the ocean is confused and throwing us waves in all different directions. We're just pounding through them. So boat's doing good. Crew's doing okay. We are T-minus 3 hours until we will be to Montserrat. First, that rock, then past that rock, Montserrat. Big volcano. So far, so good. Makes me appreciate cowboys.
You did!
The island of Redondo, or the kingdom of Redondo, which we skimmed real tight around, provided us with a tuna and hopefully more, as long as they don't lose that thing. Hey, don't lose that thing over the edge! So we're about 2 hours out from Montserrat, but I thought skimming this island might be a good spot for us because it gets really shallow, which it is. And so the drawback to that is it's also going to get really sporty. So we're going to take some big waves here over the bow. An absolute disaster there behind us. So I'm going to turn this off and handle the boat. We got full-on rollers coming up over the front, splashing everywhere. So, I mean, it could be worse, but it's definitely some aggressive wind and wave. Grateful we got a fish. Woo! Grateful that the boat's handling well the big waves. The crew's doing good. Our fishing's still good. And we got water dumping everywhere. Woo! I'm just looking forward to tucking in behind Montserrat and having the winds calm down. And being able to enjoy some tuna for dinner. So, yeehaw, good sail. We're about 2 hours out. There she be, Montserrat. Lots to learn about this place. Hope it'll be fun and exciting to see it all. So there's this peak here, and then behind it is the other peak of the volcano. Deep things. All right,
Yeah, that is
rolling up on Montserrat.
so bored.
Oh, so pretty.
Her and all her greenery.
Woo, she's a beauty.
Where's that volcano?
This boat is not beautiful. She is covered in salt. She's a salty girl, but look at this. Oh yeah. Excited to check it out.
He like did like a little girl.
After a windy and really wavy, rough sail, we finally pulled into the most picturesque little bay. Sheer cliffs on both sides of us with a beautiful beach in front and lush green mountains. I had been told that Montserrat was an island that hardly anyone ever visited. It had a volcano on it, but there was nothing really to see is what I was told. After pulling in here, I knew that that was completely false and this was going to be an epic adventure.
Our rule is if you catch it, you fillet it.
I already got it.
What is it?
It's down there. Easton just pooped like 2 feet. He pooped another one.
You're disgusting.
If you've made it to the end of our shit show, consider subscribing and joining our banana family.